How to apply fade in and fade out in WavePad. First of all, open the WavePad Audio Editor on your computer. Next, open the audio file you want to edit by clicking on the File menu and selecting Open File, or by pressing Ctrl+O for quick access. Once the file is loaded, use your mouse to select a portion of the audio where you want to apply the fade in or fade out effect. For fade in, select the beginning part of the audio. For fade out, select the ending part. After selecting the desired section, go to the Effects tab on the top toolbar. In the Effects menu, you will find Fade option. From the drop-down, click on Fade in to gradually increase the volume at the start of your selection, or click on Fade out to gradually decrease the volume at the end. You can preview the effect by playing the audio after applying the fade. If you want to adjust the length of the fade, simply change the selection size before applying the effect. And that's it. Now you know how to apply fade in and fade out effects in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.